Welcome back, fellow web creators and entrepreneurs. In this tutorial, I'm going to cover how to animate an image rotating in Adobe Premiere. To kick things off, I've added a static image that I would like to rotate slowly. Begin by double-clicking your image in the Preview panel. Head over to Effect Controls and click on the Motion drop-down arrow. Position your time marker at the beginning of your image's timeline. Now, click on the stopwatch next to rotation and this will create a starting keyframe. Next, move your time marker to where you want your image to finish rotating. Click and drag the rotation value to set your desired ending rotation. This will automatically create another keyframe to mark the end of your rotation. Now, when you play back your clip, you will have a simple rotation. To change the speed of your rotation, simply move your end keyframe closer or further away from the start keyframe. And that's it. But let's say you want to rotate an image like this moon around another object's central point, such as this Earth, for example. Simply double-click on your moon to select it. Now you'll see a small crosshair in the center of your image. This is your image's anchor point, of which your image will rotate around. Hover your mouse over the anchor point until the cursor changes. Then click, hold, and drag this anchor point over the center of the object you would like to rotate around. Go back to your effect controls and repeat the steps mentioned earlier. Position your time marker at the start of the timeline, hit the stopwatch, move it to where you want to finish your rotation animation. Now adjust the rotation value and a new keyframe will be created automatically. Play back your animation and you'll notice your image is now rotating around the circumference of the Earth or the external object and not its own center point. One last handy tip. Say you have a solid object with corners and you'd like to rotate around one of those corners. Simply hold Control on Windows, Command on Mac, then click, hold and drag your anchor point to your desired corner. Your anchor point will now snap to the closest handle on your image's bounding box. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching and I look forward to seeing you again soon.